Welcome to Global Day's Awareness Channel, a channel dedicated to raising awareness of UN global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, and celebrating professional bodies on their day by highlighting their impact in nation-building and sustainable development. And now, today's event, World Philosophy Day. What if thinking differently helped us live more peacefully, solve problems better, and understand each other more deeply? Philosophy is not just for classrooms or books, it's for everyone, everywhere. In a world filled with confusion and conflict, philosophy teaches us how to ask better questions, seek truth, and listen with wisdom. Stay tuned as we explore the power of thought, philosophy for a better world, and how philosophy changes lives, builds better nations, and hear from two people who found purpose through the power of thought. Theme: Thinking for Peace, Justice, and Unity. World Philosophy Day is celebrated every third Thursday in November and was first adopted by UNESCO in 2005. The day was created to remind the world of the importance of philosophy in building understanding, promoting peace, and improving how we think about justice, freedom, and human rights. It's a celebration of wisdom, not just in books or universities, but in everyday life, decisions, and relationships. Why philosophy matters to society and nation building. Philosophy teaches us how to think clearly, listen deeply, and speak wisely. In a time when our world faces conflict, misinformation, and division, philosophy reminds us of our shared humanity. It helps people, young and old, question injustice, respect others' views, and build unity through thoughtful dialogue. When a society values philosophy, it invests in stronger minds and peaceful communities. This year's theme, Thinking for Peace, Justice, and Unity, is a call to use thinking not to divide, but to heal. Just a quick break. Please, if you are gaining something from this and you find it informative and inspiring, kindly support us by subscribing to our channel and tap the notification bell for more inspiring global events. Subscription is absolutely free. After watching, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you. Welcome back. Now, stories of impact. Maria, a 23-year-old university student from the Philippines, shared how philosophy gave her clarity. "I used to feel lost. I had many questions and no direction," she says. "But when I took my first philosophy class, something clicked. I learned that it's okay to ask big questions. I discovered my values. Now I'm studying to become a teacher to help others think for themselves too." David, 40, from Ghana, found inner peace through a local community group. "I was always quick to judge others, quick to argue. But when I joined a philosophy circle, I learned how to listen. I started reading more, reflecting more. Philosophy helped me become a better father, a better husband, and a better citizen. It gave me peace." Thank you to the unsung heroes. We thank the teachers, mentors, speakers, and writers who share the gift of philosophy with others. You may not always be celebrated, but you are shaping minds, communities, and futures. Your quiet work inspires deeper thinking, more respectful dialogue, and a stronger sense of justice. A call to action. If you've never explored philosophy, now is the time. You don't need a degree, just curiosity. Read a book. Join a conversation. Ask questions that matter. Philosophy is for everyone. It can guide families, schools, and even national leaders to think clearly, lead wisely, and act justly. Let's bring more thinking into the way we live, lead, and grow together. Happy World Philosophy Day. Let's keep thinking, questioning, and working together for peace, justice, and unity, one thought at a time. Let's raise our glasses to honor the unsung heroes, the teachers, mentors, speakers, and writers who share the gift of philosophy with others. I hope you gain some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. If today's episode resonates with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Ogbetera. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next today, also today, 20th November. Africa Industrialization Day. World Children's Day. 21st of November, World Television Day. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.